All right, another day, another dollar, right? So we're still working here. Trailblazer 2002. Still got to deal with this flat tire. But here's the interior so far of this neglected truck. Smells a little funky, but we got her all cleaned out. Seats are still not in place, but that's not important right now. What it is important is that it's better now. Way better than it was. Yeah, still got some old rugs back there. Anyway, if weather permitting, hey, yeah, got rid of that. Anyway, weather permitting, we will be doing something here in the battery. Hold on. All right, there it is. What we'll be doing today is that we're going to be swapping these side posts with these two top posts. That's what we'll be doing today. And so the reason why is because this battery is completely dead. It's been dead for I don't know how many years, 2017, so let's assume it's been dead since then. And we're gonna swap it over to a top post. So to make it easy for you guys, we're just gonna unscrew it from here. All right, take the terminal or the cable and screw it up in there, and that's that. And we've changed the terminal to a top post without really changing anything else. Hopefully that'll work, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So 8 million 8 millimeters. All right, that's that. We're done. Step one. Can never be easy, man. I tell you, man, it's always a journey. Anyway, so first order of business. The negative here is too short to go over a battery post. The positive may be long enough to fit over, but I don't know. So let me see if by removing that tape down there, that tape, can make it longer so it'll reach over the battery. Okay. I'm also gonna take this guy out and bring the other one in. Hold on. Man. So positive, negative, negative, positive. So you can see it's not gonna reach. So I have to swap this out for a side post, just because I don't want to put longer cables here. But I'll show you how it should go. All right. And so there you go. Top post conversion. Side post to top post. And again, if these wires weren't that shy, I could make it reach the battery. You see that? But it's really extremely all the way out here, so that's why I can't make it work. At least in my case. Maybe if I tip it over, because it's just temporary. But we'll see. This one here is the one that's really short. That's the ground. So anyway, there it is. Obviously, I can't really tip it that way because then all the acid comes out. But yeah, I did top post conversion. rigged top post conversion. Yeah, this won't work. But it won't work with my battery here. But I'm sure it'll work regularly. If I had to post over here, oh my god, that would have been gravy. But can't do that today. Alrighty. Till next time, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and do what you always do. Hustle. Hustle, 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 hustle.